Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin. Let's adjust everything that I use as my everyday planner. And for this week, the week of December 12th through 18th, I'll be using some stickers from Create with Mandy. I'll be using some of her Christmas collage circles, as well as what's left of Cozy Christmas that I used in my weeks. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is double check that I'm actually recording, because I just finished my HOBONICHI weeks and I recorded it as a time lapse on my iPad, but I didn't record it on my phone doing the talking through. So anyway, it was one of those. Oh, don't fall over. So what I'm gonna do is just put some washi down here, although no, I want to save some of those stickers for my daily journal. Part of me was thinking like doing just a winter scene up at the top with all of the stickers, but I also want to be able to save some for my daily journal, because when I do my journal I use the same stickers that I use in my, oh my gosh, I use the same stickers that I end up using in my cousin, wait, this is the cousin, in my weekly spread and my daily spread. I like having, if not the same stickers, then at least the same shop that I'm using from. Because I know, for example, for the Courting to Allie, I used, I think, 2 different sets over the course of a week. But they were still fun. They still kind of coordinated in a way. Oh yes, it was her Merry Kitschmas with, I think it was her Winter Blooms. And they actually went really well together. Okay. So I'm actually going to, I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, just to, oh my gosh, I've done the thing where like I've dropped a sticker on the spread and then I can't get it back off the paper. So I'm always fearful of that happening. I'm gonna place this sticker down here with, actually, I want more contrast between that particular sticker and the present that's gonna go in front. Then use this little one up here. Oh, that's cute. Now I want to use more of these stickers just because the pen that I'm using, actually of all of the inks that I'm using this month, none really match this spread. It's like more pink, dusty pink or orange, which now that I'm thinking about it, I totally should have inked up like Ruby Dunk from Herbon or Aphrodite. But that's okay. I'll be using my Sailor Pro Gear Slim with Diamond Enchanted Ocean in there. But now I want to be able to add a few more stickers around the spread just so that I get more colors that I can pull from for this to match with it. So, but what, you know what, before I get into that, why don't I just go ahead and up on the sidebar and then figure out where I'm going to put all of the other stickers. I'm gonna go ahead and do actually everything with my fountain pen this week. So I am going to write the word sleep in here and then draw out the graph to measure my sleep, and then write down the days of the week here. If you're not familiar with how I use this, flip to a page like wow, that's messy. I graph how many hours of sleep I got, and then above that is my sleep score. That's hard to read with the stub nib, but kind of get an idea with that here. And I haven't been that great with tracking things. Like my habit tracker went all to pot when I, basically the second half of this year. Now I do want to try to get back into workouts. I tried doing the moods last week and I couldn't do it. So I don't know, I want to try get back into working out, but my shoulder is still quite sore and I don't want to do anything else to aggravate it. I'm currently doing or getting acupuncture, and that's been helpful, but I don't want to do anything to further aggravate that. So that is the sidebar, and now that there is a bit more room down here, I'm gonna add maybe this with, you know, I should put it on this side and put the present on that side, but yo, maybe this one, if that one will come up properly. There we go. I almost feel like it's too big. It's okay. There we go. And then I'll move to the bottom of the spread, and there I will just write the word meals Monday through Friday, and then write BLD, and this is where I try to keep track of my meals. Again, I haven't been great with tracking, and I really need to get back into it, but my mind is also in that intuitive eating mindset, so trying to find a balance between the two. So now that is done, I'm going to first put a piece of blotting paper down there so I don't smudge anything, and then I'm going to go in and write in the word work. I noticed that that's okay. I noticed that the ink flow was kind of going wonky with this, so I just actually put some brass shims, these in between the tines of the nib, just to get some of that, if there was any fibers or whatever, that in between the tines of the nib, just to get the ink flowing. Seems to be working a little bit better now. But also with this particular ink, Diamond's shimmer, I think compared to other brands, the shimmer is quite large compared to other brands, so more chance of getting clogged. There we go, much better. Oh yeah, it flows much better now. Okay, so now that that is done, I will go in on each day to then basically plan out my day, but first I'm gonna actually put that there. And I can actually put a smaller one here. I like this one. With the presents. It feels like Christmas is coming so fast this year, and I think I'm mostly prepared for it. I mean, I have most of the presents already. It's just, again, it feels like it's just coming so quick. And I always have such like huge expectations for Christmas, because Christmas is the favorite time of the year. I'm not gonna sing. The 17th, do I have anything in the morning? No. I can put that there with a present here. It's not straight, but that's okay. And I'm gonna put that right there. I was starting to overthink where to put the stickers, and I'm like, nope, just put it down. Then it's not my usual put it in the middle here and here. Now it's like one there, and that's okay. I just love being able to fully use a sticker sheet. There's something about being able to be like, yes, I actually used what I purchased. But don't worry, I have a second sheet for my daily journal. Okay, so then going into Monday, I know that I need to, my to-do list. Oh, look, I had that pen flowing now. I need to meal plan and order groceries. So yeah, if you ever feel like your pen isn't flowing properly, or it feels like there's gunk in between the nib tines, brass sheets. You can get these at PenChalet or Goulet Pens. They're fantastic. So then Tuesday, put out garbage. And that requires emojis. You guys can see that the sticker album is from According to Allie. And if you use the code Karina10, you can get 10% off. There we go. See, I look so unhappy doing garbage bins, but my husband is the one who does it. Oh, and I'm gonna cover this up again. I also have acupuncture at 9 o'clock. Then, are there any other appointments that I can think of? Then we pick up, my husband picks up groceries. Yeah, I know pickup is 2 words, but I couldn't get them all to fit. Groceries, that's laundry. Groceries, I love these from Paper Bits Co. They are so cute. And then Friday, I will go to Weight Watchers, and then I will need to film Weeks and Cousin. And is there anything else that needs to be done on Friday? I think on Friday as well, I'm going to be doing laundry. I'm getting into a bit more of a habit of folding laundry on a Friday. Just because I think Saturday night we have plans, may have plans. I don't want to write them in yet though. And then 10 o'clock to 11:30. Henry has wall climbing. No plans the rest of the day. I'm thinking we do our cleaning that way, or that, actually, we can do the cleaning on this day. So 11:30 to 12:30. Henry at Ninja. So then I'm gonna write all of our cleaning up above here and use this cute little cleaning girl sticker from Paper Bits Co. Because I mean, she's adorable. And I have to do bed linens, bathrooms. See, cabinets and appliances in the kitchen. My husband vacuums and he does the windows. Then, oh, perfect, enough space. Then Henry picks up all the garbage bins and we try to get him to dust. And then my daughter helps with one of the bathrooms, but then she also does the handles and light switches. That's gonna drive me crazy. I could try, I certainly could try to at least white out the smudge. Hey, there you go. All right. Is that all that I have in there for now? That's all I think I have in there for now. I don't think there's anything else to add as if, oh! Dentist appointment. Huh. So, let's wipe that out. Oh my goodness. What's going on with you? You know what it needs is a pencil board in the back or just something. There we go. I knew I was forgetting something. I was being so efficient. So Robin and I both have dentist appointments. Okay, and then now I can write work down here. Okay. I think that's it. I promise, I think that's it. Now, is there anything else that I want to add? It feels like really empty down here, but if you look at previous spreads, I don't know. I like it plain, but then I could also add a smaller I think I might just add a small little circle. That's what this is for. And then a little bit of washi. So I'm gonna add this here. I might actually cut it in half with my, did you guys notice my fancy new scissors? What direction does this go? I'm gonna not cut it perfectly in half because I don't want it to be perfectly in the center like that. I want it to be offset a little bit. And then add a teeny tiny bit of washi. Just to add a little bit more decoration there. Oh, I feel like that's too much washi. Too much. Even that's too much. Alrighty. Yay. Oh my goodness, Karina. All right, I promise that's it. You know what, that's not the first time I said that in the last 5 minutes. Okay, but no, I think adding a little something there actually helped to anchor everything. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.